What is something your parents did while raising you that now you realized is just wrong? When my mom left my dad, she drove 4 hours away to her hometown without telling him. I was 5. On the drive, she asked me if I wanted to go to hometown for a holiday or to live. I'd never moved house before, so I excitedly declared I wanted to live there. She acted as if that made her decision for her. Later, I realized Dad and my dog weren't with us, and I asked were they coming. Mum said no, they couldn't move, but because I'd said we were moving, the decision had been made now. I was a teenager before I realized me wanting to move was not the reason my parents divorced.